Hi, I'm Professor Lora Heisler, Chair of Human Nutrition here at the Rowan Institute at the University of Aberdeen. And I'm so honored that I've been selected to give the public lecture at the Physiological Society meeting here in Aberdeen in July 2019. And what I'm going to talk about is my research. And my research is focused on trying to understand the development of obesity and type 2 diabetes so we can try and identify new ways to treat these very, very prevalent diseases. And in particular, what we look at is how the brain controls appetite and blood sugar. And these are some images here that people in my lab have taken looking at specific brain regions that are instrumental for regulating appetite and feeling full and tasting yummy foods and things like that. I hope that lots of people will want to come and hear about the latest research, my research, but also other people's research, and strategies that we can implement to try and better control our food intake so that we can either lose weight or prevent weight from coming on. So I really look forward to talking to everybody about my research on the 8th of July at the Aberdeen Exhibition and Conference Centre here in Aberdeen.